What if I told you that making a lot of money online with AI could be simple? And there are actually 3 income streams that anybody could learn how to do and make hundreds of thousands of dollars online. You would want to know, right? You're going to find out in this video. Hey friends, I'm Rochelle. I'm a 6-figure digital product coach and seller, and I help people start online businesses with the help of AI. AI has absolutely changed the game for making money online, and it's no longer just about selling ChatGPT ebooks. We have gone so much further than that, and that there are AI income streams that everyday normal people are tapping into to completely and drastically change their lives, create generational wealth, travel and make money from anywhere. It is crazy, and there is so much money to be made. And so let's get into the very first income stream, which is monetizing AI videos. Now, you might not have realized it, but you have watched an AI video, whether it be on TikTok, whether it be on YouTube. There's actually a whole new trend of like animal related AI videos that are getting millions of views, like millions. And so if you're wondering how people are monetizing these videos, they are creating YouTube channels, they are creating TikTok or Instagram profiles. So on YouTube, they're actually getting paid for their views. And also on TikTok, they're actually getting paid for their views to create these pretty cool AI videos. These are my top 3 favorites. Number 1 is Pictory. I like Pictory for beginners. I love how easy Pictory is to use. I also love the feature where you can just paste any URL. So you could paste a blog post, a product page, a YouTube video, and Pictory will help you turn that into an AI video. So this is a really good way to script out your videos because all of the content is already in the blog post or is already in the YouTube script, and you can literally just make that into a faceless video, and takes out a lot of the effort in scripting and figuring out what your video is going to be about. The next one is the absolute OG in video AI. This is one of the original AI video creators, and I think based on what I've seen, this is the one that the people use the most, and this is my favorite one as well. And what I love with InVideo is that you can edit with just text. You don't actually need any editing skills to edit in video, and that's why I think it is also super good for beginners, and it hasn't lost its crown as the OG platform. And the last one is 11 Labs. This one is another great platform. I don't use this one as much for creating videos myself, but I know others that do. This one is also very good for video voiceovers. I would actually have to create a whole separate video just talking about faceless AI. So let me know if you want that. So drop faceless AI videos in the comments below so I know to record that next. I am editing this video and I am so mad at myself because I did not tell you that Canva has an AI video creator. So go to Canva Video AI and then click Canva AI video, then go generate video and type in here whatever you want to generate. So I put dog walking up mountain in football shirt. Okay, and then I click generate video. Now it's ready. So let's click play and let's see it together. That is a dog walking up a mountain in a football shirt. The second AI income stream that you should be using to make 100k plus a month is digital products. And these fall into 2 categories. You have the digital products that you can create completely with AI, as in you only need to write a prompt. It's going to generate a product that you can sell straight away. And the good example of this is stock images. There are a lot of AI stock images that are making a lot of money because people are using them for their content, people are using them for their websites. And there are also vector images. These are designs that are being created in AI platforms like Midjourney and then being sold to people that have product businesses. So people are usually putting this on their products, in their drop shipping stores, all of that kind of stuff. And this is a really profitable way to do AI powered digital products because you don't need social media to promote. You just need to create the products, put them on a marketplace, and they will sell if you've SEO optimized properly and if you've picked designs that are appealing and that people are searching for. The second way to do AI powered digital products is by using AI to help you create. And in this situation, AI is usually creating the structures for you, the formulas, videos. It can even give you a step-by-step on how to create. So Notion templates are a great example of these. They are very profitable, and they are a lot more profitable than a Canva template, but not a lot of people know how to create them. So you can use AI to actually give you all of the content to put into your templates, to create the workflows for you, to create all the automation for you, and then you take that information and you implement it. Now, this strategy is a lot less passive than just creating designs that you would sell, but the advantage is that you have so much of a bigger audience, you have so much more variety, and actually you can sell these products for a higher cost. So between them both, you can make a lot of money in AI powered digital products. I literally have so many videos on my page about digital products, so go and check those out. Okay, on to the last one, which is AI prompts and custom GPTs. Now, everybody knows that ChatGPT and other AI platforms are out there, but not a lot of people know how to prompt them to get the best results. So if you know how to use these AI platforms, you can literally sell your prompts. And if you go onto a marketplace like Etsy right now, type in your ChatGPT prompts, you will be stunned on how many there are. And it is very lucrative. People make a lot of money. Now, if you have the ability to step it up a little bit, you can create your own custom GPTs. These are GPTs where you are adding information, you are adding your own files, you are adding your own knowledge in the background, so that when people are using ChatGPT, they can get the added benefit of the things that you know. So for example, I have created 2 custom GPTs inside my community that I give people to specifically help them come up with profitable digital product ideas based on all of my experience and training. And they've also got a custom GPT that helps them to create digital products. Not only do these GPTs use all of the information in the ChatGPT library, they also, like I say, pull in anything that you add to the GPT. It's really a digital product. So this is a really unsaturated digital product, and I would heavily encourage you to check out custom GPTs. They are not difficult to create, and you can even ask ChatGPT to help you create a custom GPT, and then you can sell that. So I've just mentioned 3 ways that you can be making money with AI, but honestly, there is so much more. And if this interests you, you need to grab my $1 million ChatGPT prompts below, because it's going to open your eyes to all the opportunities that AI has to make you money. And so the next video on your screen right now is showing you how you can set up your digital product store for free and sell for free. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.